Hi everyone, Jack here. Today we're diving into a promising area of regenerative medicine, the use of peptides like the KLOW blend for managing fibromyalgia pain. The KLOW blend is a synergistic combination of 4 powerful peptides designed to address the systemic challenges of fibromyalgia from multiple angles. BPC 157 and TB 500 focus on the quote, vascular desert often found in chronic pain, promoting new blood vessel growth and accelerating soft tissue repair. KPV acts as a potent anti-inflammatory, suppressing the molecular pathways that drive the widespread neuroinflammation characteristic of fibromyalgia. Finally, GHK-Cu supports structural tissue remodeling and provides neuroprotective benefits to help stabilize the nervous system's pain processing. Research into growth hormone-related peptides has shown significant promise, with some studies reporting over 50% pain reduction in a large portion of participants. While currently in the research phase, the KLOW blend offers a hopeful, holistic approach. Always consult a specialist before starting any new therapy. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Relentless Relief for more insights into regenerative medicine and chronic pain management. Hit that subscribe button now.